Special welcome to the Golden Age.
आप सब को मेरा राम राम। Musa Dulavinaka, Musa Dulavinaya, a very good evening to you all. And a special good evening to the members of the Golden Age who are here with us tonight. For those of you who do not know, the Golden Age in Natambua used to be the Natambua Primary School. And that's where I attended school for 1 year before moving to Lautoka Fijian School, which is now called Delana. I'm delighted to join you here for this auspicious occasion and those around the globe in looking ahead to the advent of Diwali. It is one of the most important festivals in the Hindu calendar. In Fiji, Diwali has become a part of our national life, not only for Hindus, but for all Fijians, as we look forward each year to the Festival of Lights. In the coming week, people will be lighting candles, or they are setting off fireworks, and spending time with families, spending time with friends, and spending time with neighbors as they celebrate Diwali. Most Fijians share a sense of excitement and goodwill about Diwali. No doubt looking forward to a feast of splendid lights and of course to those delicious sweets. But let us not lose sight of the deeper meaning of Diwali. Diwali marks the triumph of good over evil, light over darkness, happiness over sorrow, knowledge over ignorance, and health over sickness. It symbolizes the light we must all shine on our shortcomings as individuals and as a nation. Let us therefore work in unity in overcoming these shortfalls, lest we celebrate this festival of lights in vain. Diwali is a time to reflect upon the more significant things in our lives, which we often lose sight of in the course of our day-to-day responsibilities. It's also a time to seek fellowship with our neighbors and to forge new friendships, to reach out to fellow Fijians with acts of kindness and sincerity. And like all of our religious festivals in Fiji, it's a time of thanksgiving for the spiritual guidance, strength, and hope we derive from our beliefs. To me, Diwali is about Fiji coming together as one nation, to rejoice and give thanks for the grace of God and the bonds of family and friendship. It is indeed a matter of great personal and national pride how openly we embrace each other's different religions and how readily we include those of different faiths in our observances. Such acceptance and understanding is one of the brightest lights in our national life. It's up to each of us to nurture and protect the spirit of peace and unity within the cultural and religious diversity that we enjoy and that we gather together here today to celebrate. In fact, Fiji is one of the very few countries in the world to commemorate the most significant events in Christianity, Islam, and Hinduism with public holidays. And we do so proudly. Fiji is unique in our Pacific region, a multi-faith nation with a constitution that guarantees religious freedom and establishes a secular state in which all religions are treated equally. We also do it as a personal gesture of respect for our fellow citizens of other faiths, knowing that regardless of belief, we are one people, one nation, with a common destiny. This Diwali celebration is particularly poignant in exemplifying the tolerance, goodwill, and unity we so desire by inviting people from all walks of life, and especially including those that are underprivileged, those that are homeless or destitute, to join together as fellow citizens on this occasion. We will do well to be inclusive in our practices, to deliberately look beyond our different circumstances and choose to celebrate the common values that bind us as one people. I wish to congratulate the organizers and sponsors for your warm and thoughtful gesture. Light illuminates our thinking and perspective to realize that religion can actually be a unifying force, a bridge between us all, no matter what we believe. A sense of spirituality, a belief in a being greater than ourselves, is common to the overwhelming majority of Fijians, no matter what their religious background. If we scratch beneath the labels of major religions, we will be pleased to find that their teachings are interconnected. They embodied essentially the same values of consideration for others, especially the less fortunate, of honesty and integrity in the way we live our lives, and of duty and service to each other, to our nation, and the higher being we worship. Of course, these values and their practice should not be limited to our religious lives. They should extend to our personal and national life as well. The Fijian government has established once and for all that every citizen deserves the same rights and opportunities as anyone else. Everyone is a Fijian. We all belong, no matter where we come from or whatever our faith. It's a wonderful time to be Fijian as we set our sights on a united future, with all the possibility that holds for us and for all, for future generations. In this Festival of Lights, may we all find peace and joy and a renewed commitment in our spirituality. May we continue to be compassionate and generous to all people, and may we all embrace knowledge and light over ignorance and darkness. I wish our Hindu brothers and sisters a Happy New Year and a joyful Diwali to all Fijians. And I thank you.